All right, welcome back everybody. We're here in the garage. We're getting ready for the Junebug rally. We're doing a little pre-race prep. I'm gonna put the link and everything in the description for you guys down at the bottom. It's a really fun event in Austin. You gotta check it out. It's Father's Day weekend on Saturday. We run around town. It's just sheer mayhem. It is the craziest thing you've ever seen. It's amazing. And then we have a huge party at Top Notch on Burnett Road. Kelly is a Volkswagen guy, and he lets us just take over the entire restaurant. You've seen some of our videos from there before, where we do our third Wednesday, what is it? Third Saturday at Top Notch. I'll put a link for that too down there. And I'll put the Facebook link for the Junebug rally so you can find it. But we got a few of the guys here. We're gonna do a little prep, a little maintenance, and a little bit of upgrading. Try and get the most out of these cars for this rally because it's highly competitive, crazy. And then we'll have a couple videos out after the rally. I know VW Life is doing one. Theirs will be pretty good because they got drone footage and several in-car cameras and stuff. So you'll be able to get a pretty good idea of what it is. So we're gonna jump in. We're gonna adjust some brakes on here. We're gonna do some whatever on these things, and I'll show you some of our fancy go fast tricks that we're building for this year so we can totally win. So here we go. All right, so we got this water cannon that we're gonna set up in the buggy here for Junebug. We're gonna use it to hose down spectators and other contestants to give us that edge, because there's no rules, right?
No rules.
Say no rules.
No rules.
No rules.
Is that possible?
Quick access to the. Here, spray it. Let's see what it does. There we go. I think that's pretty good.
Get that tree right there. That one close to you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
a lot of water coming out of a little bitty hose.
That's some good pressure coming out of this little guy. Right there. That's gonna be fun. Alright, so here we go. We got the potato cannon mounted in the buggy here. Looks pretty good. Safety first. Put the nice reflective day glow duct tape on there just in case anybody's walking across the front. We don't want them to bang their head on the tip of the thing there.
I can't say we didn't warn them.
We've got enough, spring back for the recoil.
Movement.
So that, yeah, we have a little adjustability on there. That's pretty good. I like it.
And it's gonna be really easy to.
Yeah. There it goes. So we'll get the little compressor back there hooked up, and it'll keep it pressurized. And man, look out! If you don't like potatoes, don't get in front of this car.
We're gonna make some mashed taters.
We're gonna make some mashed taters on your car there. We've got our high pressure water cannon. We've got a plan for that to get mounted. So you're gonna get wet and potatoed. This is a winner. I think we're gonna win with this car for sure. We're pretty excited. Yeah, we're gonna be shooting French fries at some people, so I like it. It's pretty good. It looks, that could be a permanent addition, I think. I don't think you can lose with that.
I don't think the DOT will look too bad on it.
Nah, it's fine. It's being traffic. Gotta have fun in traffic. All right, now we're gonna do a little tuning on Sean's carb. Wow, that's a big hole. We're gonna try and get his carb tuned for optimum performance. It's running pretty good now, but I feel like we can get another 25-30 horsepower out of it by just adjusting the airflow and you know, getting everything just tweaked just so. So we're gonna do that now on his. It's a nice little single port. It's 1600, I think. It's running. Looks to be a generator and maybe a 30-31 carb on it. So yeah, we should be able to really tune some horsepower into this thing. He's gonna be a contender for sure. I think that buggy's gonna win, but this will be a close second, guaranteed. So we're gonna start her up and make some adjustments here. Yeah, see, I can already hear the lack of horsepower, you know, in there. Just poke around in there and just start turning. Just poke around and start turning screws, and we'll see if anything happens. Oh, there it is. See, more fuel. More fuel is always better. If your eyes don't burn when you're adjusting the carb, it's not right.
My eyes are burning. Eyes are burning a lot. I think we're ready.
Jiggle that distributor just for good measure. Yeah.
We're good.
Oh, it's perfect.
It's tight.
It's got just enough play. Distributors need to have a lot of play in them so that as you're accelerating, they can turn with the engine so that your timing doesn't change. That's very important. The blue paint on the coil actually adds a couple horsepower. That's important too. It's actually spray paint and stickers. It's not really a Bosch coil, but just the fact that it looks like one means you're going to be going pretty fast. And the weight reduction of running a generator as opposed to an alternator, you know, that's quite a bit of weight reduction right there. It's got to be 25-30 pounds.
Yeah, we're looking to win this year. Definitely looking to win.
So we're gonna win. This is gonna be, I mean, the buggy's gonna win for sure.
Yeah, we may be first, second place. That might be the finishing order, but we're ready to go.
Yeah. Old Volks is gonna take it for sure this year. I think that's pretty good, man. Let's go do some burnouts. All right, so here's my go fast idea. This is what I'm gonna do on my bus. We're gonna run a Weber 40 on top of a 44. And I'm going to adapt that to my single port engine there, the little 1600 single port, because more fuel and more air means more power. Is that right? That's 100% right?
Very much so. It's expert stuff like that.
So the science is valid. We're going to test this out this afternoon. I'm going to get these bolted on. So it takes a little bit of modification. I have to make a little adapter plate in here to get them to bolt together, and then I'll have an adapter plate here for the dual port to single port, and then we're going to run it's a modified sync link where the cam runs from this one to this one, and then so that way it's more progressive. The top one will open, and then, you know, after the bottom one's open. So it's going to work really good. I think a lot of fuel is going to make me really haul ass with that little single port in the motor. And we've got the professor here. He's going to tell us all about how that's going to work. That was going to work, right?
Yeah, it's gonna work. Yeah, it's gonna work.
Hell yeah, it's going to work.
Twice the volume, twice the fuel, and that's what it's about. More air. The more air you get, the more fuel you can burn. The more fuel you burn, the more power you're gonna make. So yeah, so now you've got twice the flow, twice the airflow, twice the fuel flow. Shoot ya, man.
So I should be making, what, 450, 500 horsepower out of that little single port, right?
Oh, easy, yeah.
At
Because
least.
the way it's all set up, it funnels it down. It's going to compress it. The taper of the manifolds, you know, all that comes through there. Man, it's like having a supercharger or blower on it. Absolutely.
More production.
Well, yeah, and then the higher you stack them, it acts like a tunnel ramp.
Right.
So the sunround, so you get the more airflow of the air moving through, and it's just constantly building and building and building. Yeah, it's a good thing that these intakes don't have a bend in them, because if they had a really sharp bend in them, that could cause a problem, because the air and the fuel is going to be flying around that corner so fast that the atomized fuel will not be able to stay suspended in the air, because it's going to be approaching supersonic speeds.
Right. And then I'll just liquefy and turn it to ice.
Yeah, yep, absolutely. Especially with the new gas we got with the alcohol mixed in there.
Yeah, and I'm running race gas.
Right, that's
It's 700 octane, so.
Oh, don't forget, we still need to do the rifling on the intakes.
Yeah, definitely.
That's right, yeah, that helps that swirl effect. Yeah,
Gotta get that swirl effect in there. That's how you really get the power.
absolutely.
Yeah, I'm excited. This is gonna be pretty good. I might just throw that big 2-liter in the trash and just run this. Yeah, that's a pretty good high output deal there. So nobody copy that. I'm gonna get a patent on that. We're gonna run it. So we'll test it later and we'll see how it runs. All right, man, what an epic day. We ended with some terrible weather. Rain came through, lightning, crazy. But we got everything adjusted on Sean's bus, so that thing hauls ass now. We got the murder buggy all ready to go with the potato cannon and the water cannon. And I'm working on getting my quad carb ultimate double progressive single port setup ready for my bus. I'm gonna try and get that on tonight before I go to work tomorrow. So we'll see how that thing runs and how it goes, but it should be awesome. Yeah, I can't wait for this Junebug rally. It's gonna be a good one this year. It's gonna be hot, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's always a great show. So you should check us out. Search out the Junebug rally, Junebug VW Rally Austin on Facebook. You'll find their page there. I'll put a link underneath in the description so you guys can find it. I'll put the address on there as well, just all that information and the date, start time and all that, so that you guys can find it. It can be a little tricky navigating the internet, so I'll just give you the basic information there, but it is super fun. And we ended top notch. We have a huge party there, just Volkswagens. Kelly closes it down for us. They play a Volkswagen movie, Herbie, usually one of the Herbie movies, or they'll find some other movie to play on the big screen there. And it's always a lot of fun. So if you can make it, if you're in the area for that, definitely come. You will definitely enjoy it 100%. Even if you just come for the party, you'll enjoy that. Don't forget to check out our friends at VW Life on YouTube. More great videos. They're also gonna have a Junebug, lightning. They're also gonna have a Junebug video. So we'll get to see it from a couple different perspectives. That'll be awesome. But they do all sorts of fun stuff, how-to videos, and they go take their Volkswagens on adventures, and they show you how to keep those things on the road. So Matt and Gary doing a great job. VW Life on the YouTube. Check out our friends at Volks America magazine. Another great publication, full color, high gloss pages, fantastic. VolksAmerica.com. You can get subscriptions there. They got the Volks Mania magazine coming out in a couple months. That's a free magazine, kind of a partner magazine to go with Volks America. They'll come at different intervals, but that's a great book too. I'm really looking forward to getting that one out. VolksAmerica.com. You can get your subscriptions there and check it out. Subscribe to our page if you like it, and if you don't like it, subscribe anyways. Tell a friend, tell 2 friends, get everybody involved. This is it's kind of a fun adventure for us, trying to figure out how to get this channel out there and get the entertainment to you. So we enjoy it. Hopefully you enjoy it too. Subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get the notifications when the new videos come out. And thanks for watching. It's hard to see, but way down there at the end of the street is Chris, who's going to catch this potato in his teeth.